Hi, Papam fans! Welcome to another vlog. And for today, meron po kami biglaang lakad. Biglaang lakad with this little dude. Hi, Prince! Ayan. So, we're gonna have a date with Prince. Parang first time na yata namin siyang na-date na hindi kasama yung ate niya. So, the-date namin siya ng kanyang dad. Ayan si Daddy Ren driving. And we are on our way to Taal Vista Hotel. Okay, so ang oras namin dito sa aming watch ay 1 PM. So we're supposed to enjoy the buffet lunch sa veranda. Yun po yung restaurant sa Taal Vista Hotel. Enjoy po namin. Start ng 12 eh. Pero 1 o'clock, nandito pa po kami sa biyahe.
Ako is na okay kayo.
Ayan. Nasa biyahe pa po kami. So, ang gagawin po namin kung ano oras kami makarating, hakot agad. Yan. So, we're gonna go there.
A few moments later.
And finally, we are here!
1:35.
1:35. Hanggang 2:30 daw yung buffet. Hataw!
Tapos din na si
Si Kuya ang bagal. Gutom na kami. Charot.
Gutom na kami, sorry.
Okay, let's go! And we are here. Oh, Mami San! Yay! We're here na. Kunwari, hindi nagmamadali. Pero gutom na. There's a performance, Prince Loco. Nagmamadali? Ikaw? Mamadali ka? Oh.
Later.
Hello!
Date for you.
Ayan na! Nandito na kami!
Gutom. Mami Long.
Yummy! This is our date for you. Aww, so cute. Gusto niyo daw tumakbo doon later outside.
Yeah. Let's go there later. Thank you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel.
Ang hirap po ng ginugutom si Mr. Tinyana. Nakakalurkey po. Teka ha. Wait.
Konti lang na kami.
Talaga ba? Yan na kinain mo? Eh ano to? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano to? Ano to? Ano to? Ano to? Huwag mo akong pinaglolo ko.
Isang putsero ng adobo.
Ako gusto ko to.
Liempo is
Liempo, I love it. Second serving ko to ng liempo.
Then, this is lechon.
Lechon Cebu.
Lechon, winner. Sa kids naman, yung chicken finger is masarap.
Masarap yung chicken finger. With lahat, with lahat.
Cheesecake nila.
Cheesecake.
Sobrang legit.
Love it.
Ang sarap.
Oh, ano yan? Ba't mo kinikiliti yung bread? Yan, eat it, eat it, eat it. Yan! Yan! Good?
Yeah.
So, ayun na nga, Papam fans. Tapos na ang date with Patapot. At nung tinanong ko siya kung nag-enjoy siya, what did you say? Did you have fun?
No.
Real talk, no. Pagkaalam niyo naman diba sa pagkain, ito ang tatanungin talaga natin. Daddy?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Saan?
Anong
Sa
saan?
buffet?
Sa buffet.
Oo naman, sobra.
Oh, diba? Sarap. Thank you very much to Alvista Hotel. What? What did you say? You had fun? Plastic mo. Ayun. Kaya, syempre, importanticious talaga na merong plain na portion kapag may kasama kang kids. Kasi yung buffet naman is really not for them, but for the adults. O, diba? So, anyways, ang isa sa mga rason din kung bakit kami nag-date with Patapot for today ay dahil sapagkat because yung anak namin ay nag-attend ng party. So, yung attendan niyang party, kabilin-bili na namin dahil hindi naman siya yung kaibigan nung may party. Kaibigan siya ng kaibigan. Hindi siya rektang kaibigan-kaibigan. So, ang kabilin-bili na namin, wag e-epal sa party kasi bata pa lang yan si Princess. Na-train ko na yan maging competitive sa party. O, eto, panoodin nyo. Sinend ng kapatid ko. Sabi namin, wag mag-epal. O, eto, look. Watch this.
Ito ang favorite mo, singer? Sarah, yun, si Kut Sarah. Okay, game. Sige, listen. Oy, palakpakan naman natin. What's your name again? Princess! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Princess!
Pwede bang humiling isa pang araw na ito magkasama? Kulang na kulang ang panahon, di sapat ng meron tayo ngayon. Pwede bang humiling isa pang araw?
Yeah! Si Sarah ba kumanta yan? Yes, okay.
So, ayan, thus, and we therefore conclude na mana-mana lang talaga ang kakapalan ng pes. Pero most importantly, nag-enjoy naman si Princess dun sa party na yun. And kami rin naman ay nag-enjoy sa aming lunch buffet at veranda in Alvista Hotel. Thank you, Papam fans, for watching. Kung tinapos mo itong video na ito, and don't forget to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and really, we hope you like our videos. Bye!
Bye!